Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. A quick update related to the affiliate manager, which in case you didn't know, there's a full affiliate management capability in Funneltopia, where you can set up affiliate campaigns, not just for funnels and websites. You can even set them up for like, I don't know, calendars, surveys, stuff like that as well. People can get credit for those. So just so you know, there's a full capability under traffic affiliate manager, right? You can set up campaigns. And the new feature is now you have the ability to include setup costs as part of the affiliate commission calculation. So once you set up a new campaign, let's just say, yeah, in the process, this is like a new campaign. And once you go through to step number 3, yeah, that's the commission, all that. So once you go to step number 3, under additional settings, you have the option to include the setup fees and commission calculation, right? By default, it's going to be off, so you can turn it on. This enhancement basically ensures that affiliates receive commissions for products that include setup fees, eliminating any missed opportunities, right? So this is where you can set it up on a campaign level, and also you can set it up as a default, so you don't have to toggle the switch every time. You can go to settings under affiliate manager, right? Under traffic affiliate manager settings, and over here you can switch it to on by default, right? So make sure to go check that out. If you have any questions related to this or anything else Funneltopia related, over here at the bottom, 24/7 chat support. If you're a VIP client, you can click on here, schedule a VIP call, which is if you have more than a question or two, like bigger issues, just schedule a call. So make sure to utilize those two options. If you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.